Yon, bumagsak siya after isang malakas na kaliwa. Grimaces in pain. Ito naman yung pangalawang knockdown kombinasyon, left.
Takbo na siya eh.
Right.
Right to the side of the body, left, and then he went down.
He was hurt.
Wala na.
And the ref, and Bruce McTavish, binibilangan siya, pero eventually tiningnan niya, left.
That left.
Strong.
You know, they had so much power in that left hand of his. I was
Left
surprised.
to the face, right to the body. Talagang hindi na tinigilan ni Boom Boom. Si Barrera. Oh, he was so galit. Galit na galit siya sa sarili niya na hindi niya nagawa ang knockdown sa Pinoy. Celebration by the Philippines here. Great win by both Jason Pagara and now Ray Boom Boom Bautista. Panalo ang Pinoy sa rematch versus Alejandro Barrera.
This does a lot for his reputation. This does a lot for his career. Sabi ko sa'yo, before this
Oo.
fight, you know.
Mahalaga para
Yes.
sa career niya. So this shows Boom Boom is back more than ever. We're going to turn over to the ring announcer for the official result.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have the official time at 2 minutes and 56 seconds of the third round. Referee Bruce McTavish reaches a count of 10. We have a winner by knockout, Ray Boom Boom Bautista. To present this special trophy is the Honorable Raul Yayoy Alcoseba.